Should people use public transportation? In the face of rapid urbanization, the reliance on private vehicles has led to unprecedented level of congestion and pollution. As cities expand and traffic congestion worsens, public transportation emerges as a vital solution. I strongly recommend using public transportation because this is some way to overcome several problems. The first is can reduce air pollution emitted by vehicles. The private vehicles is one of major contributor for air pollution. Even nowadays, people rarely walk to reach a destination and prefer to use their personal vehicle, such as car or motorbike. Switching to public transportation can drastically reduce this emission, such as bus, trains, and subways, have a much lower carbon footprint per passenger compared to private vehicles. By choosing public transit, we can collectively decrease the volume of harmful emission and mitigate the adverse effect on both our health and the environment. According to Suboyo et al., conventional air pollution such as nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide as well as hydrocarbons are emitted from internal combustion engine in vehicle. Therefore, I strongly recommend people to using public transportation because it can help the environment from getting worse. It can also reduce the number of vehicles on the road. The second, cost saving for individual. Public transportation offers a significant economic advantage for each user. By opting the buses, trains, or subways, individual can save a considerable amount of money annually. The costs associated with owning a private vehicle, such as fuel, insurance, maintenance, and parking fees, can be substantial. In contrast, a monthly transit pass is often fraction of this expense, leading to considerably saving. According to Jennifer Di Giovanni, monthly transit passes are often the best deal and run much lower in a price than car owner expense. As we can see, using public transportation saves costs, but some public transportation has departure schedule. And actually, use private vehicle in some cases it can get us there faster. However, the costs required if we have a private vehicle are also more expensive. Therefore, using public transportation is sometimes one way if you want to travel long or short distance but are related to pay a high price. There are several services you can get if public transportation that has service such as trains, and also monthly cost will be lower and can save your money. In summary, using public transportation is one thing that can help us protect the environment from air pollution. Not only that, using public transportation can also save our monthly money. When using public transportation, sometimes there are several services you can get also. Maybe it will be better if more people use public transportation. Not only could if have an impact on the environment, but from economic perspective, it could also improve.
Terima kasih.